Madison County officials say a person was shot in a road rage incident earlier today, and Hempstead officials say that person was shot near the Redstone Federal Credit
Too many people are shot during road rage incidents.
Union on Jeff Road out in Harvest. Madison County Sheriff's Office confirmed it was a road rage incident with shots being fired from one vehicle into another. It's unclear how the shooting victim was involved, but Hempstead says they were brought to a local hospital in stable condition.
And a road rage incident escalates this week in Anne Arundel County. One Brooklyn Park man facing assault and other charges. And police say there's also evidence of a hate crime. WJZ is on your corner. Dennis Valera is in Brooklyn Park with more on the case.
Police first responded here at the corner of Marshall Road and 8th Avenue Wednesday, just before 5 p.m. But the chain of events first started more than 10 miles away at Arundel Mills shopping mall. The victim got into some road rage incident with one of the suspects. During that, according to police,
one of the suspects shouted racial slurs at the victim.
Charging documents confirmed that slur was the N-word. The suspect drove home to Brooklyn Park, and the victim followed. Charging documents say on the way, the suspect called her husband, Keith Kelly. By the time she and the victim got to the neighborhood, he was standing outside armed with a hammer. After some arguing, the victim told police Kelly pulled this gun out. Charging documents say he did not fire it, only handed it to his wife. At one point, the victim walked to the trunk of his car when he claims Kelly charged at him, smashing one of the car's windows with the hammer.
We're calling this a hate crime because when you couple the racial slur with the following actions by the suspects, it's very clear that this was a crime motivated by hatred toward members of the African American community.
According to charging documents, the victim did retaliate, grabbing a brake pad piece from the trunk of the car and throwing it at Kelly's neck. When police questioned Kelly about this, Kelly told police he thought the victim was getting a weapon. He and his wife also denied bringing the gun out before admitting it was only a BB gun. At this time, Kelly's wife has not been charged. Police say too many heated arguments are turning into violent crimes.
But just let it go. If somebody aggravates you on the roadway, just let them drive past you, let them get away from you, don't engage with them because it could really turn into a dangerous situation for everyone involved.
Kelly did bond out Thursday. He's due back in court in July for a preliminary hearing. Reporting in Brooklyn Park, I'm Dennis Valera for WJZ.